The top 3 of the best foldable dog pools are finally here. Whether you're looking to keep your pup cool during hot summer days or just want a portable splash zone, these pools combine convenience, durability, and pet-friendly design for the ultimate backyard fun. In the third, the Jasonwell Foldable Dog Pool is a practical and pet-friendly solution for summer, offering a foldable, portable design that requires no inflation and sets up in seconds. Made from extra-tough PVC with thick sides and a slip-resistant bottom, it's built to last and designed for safety, ensuring your pet won't slip while splashing around. The side and bottom drain make it easy to empty and refresh the water, and the large drain valve allows for quick fold-up and compact storage. Available in 5 different sizes, this pool accommodates a wide range of dogs, and even toddlers can enjoy it. Wrapped edges provide extra resistance against punctures, and the quick-drying material ensures convenience. However, while praised for its sturdiness and ease of use, users are advised to set it up only on smooth, hard surfaces to avoid tears caused by sharp objects or rough ground, and some customers note that dog nails could still cause damage if not trimmed. In conclusion, the Jasonwell Dog Pool offers great value and convenience, with durable materials and simple operation, making it an excellent choice for casual use. Just be sure to prepare the surface properly and check your pet's nails before use. Second, the Yahitech Foldable Dog Pool stands out with its upgraded materials and stable structure, featuring waterproof PVC on the exterior, a polyester mesh layer, and sturdy PP boards that prevent the pool from collapsing or tipping. It comes in various sizes, suitable for breeds ranging from Chihuahuas to St. Bernards, and is ideal for both dogs and small children. The foldable, portable design allows you to bring it along for camping, traveling, or store it easily at home, while the side drain plug and included directional adapter offer quick, efficient drainage, although the garden hose is not included. Customers appreciate the large size and how easy it is to set up and fold down, with many using it for multiple pets or shared use with children. However, the pool's durability receives mixed reviews, with some users experiencing tears or issues with cleaning. Some also feel the price is high relative to the quality. 4 repair patches are included for minor damages. In conclusion, the Yahitech pool is spacious and versatile with a solid frame and good portability, but potential buyers should be prepared for variable longevity and may want to reinforce cleaning and storage habits to extend its use. And to finish, first of all, the Vistop Foldable Dog Pool offers one of the most durable and secure designs in its category, made from 0.5 mm thick non-slip PVC, with a new high-strength PP hard plastic shell that resists collapsing and scratching. The anti-skid bottom improves safety for both pets and kids, and the pool folds into a compact, lightweight package for easy transport and storage. Designed for fast drainage, its low-positioned valve ensures minimal water retention, helping users clean and pack it quickly without mess. Setup is effortless, no pump needed. Just unfold it on flat ground and fill up to 90%. It's ideal for dogs of all sizes and can also serve as a whelping pool, duck pool, sandbox, or even a splash area for children. Customers praise its build quality, reliability, and capacity, noting that it withstands both rough play and frequent use, while the full heat welded seams reduce leaks. That said, the manufacturer advises trimming or sanding pet nails before use, and avoiding prolonged sun exposure or grass contact, which may damage the pool or cause fading. In conclusion, the Vistop pool delivers premium durability, multi-purpose function, and easy storage, making it the top pick for owners seeking a heavy-duty, reliable, and easy-to-manage foldable pet pool. In summary, these top 3 foldable dog pools offer a smart way to keep your pets cool and entertained during hot days. The Jasonwell pool is budget-friendly and durable for everyday use. The Yahitech model adds more structure and size options for all breeds. And the Vistop pool leads the pack with its heavy-duty build and quick drain system, perfect for both dogs and kids. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.